माननीय ऑनरेबल श्री HD देवेगौड़ा जी।
Respected Deputy Chairman, sir, I would like to express my sincere thanks to you for having given me an opportunity to speak on the issue that is the allegation made by our recognized opposition about the voter list. Sir, I am a Congress worker, 1952, 1957. When Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was the Prime Minister, 52, 57, 62 and 64, what happened? I don't want to repeat that. After the demise of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, the tallest leader, Lal Bahadur Shastri came to power. He was there for a short period. You know what happened? The Tashkent Agreement. Sir, after that, Madam Gandhi became the Prime Minister. During her period, I think more than 380 or more than 316, 3-4 elections, Madam Gandhi was able to score in the election. When once there is a decline, then she thought of bifurcating the Parliament and the Assembly separately to fight the election. Even that, I fought the election when it was separated. I have never raised any objection. I was in the opposition. Earlier Samstha Congress, then Janata Dal. I am the president of the Janata Dal when Janata Dal was formed during Morarji Desai. Sir, I never raised any objection. About the bifurcation of the Parliament and the Assembly separately, even then we bow our head and we fought the election. Sir, I was defeated once in the Assembly. 7 times I won the Assembly. 4 times I won Parliament. And 3 times I was defeated by Congress. I never blamed the Congress has made me to defeat by manipulating the voter list. I never.
Please take your seat. Please. Surjewala ji, nothing is going on record. Let him speak.
I have not.
Please, Surjewala ji, please take your seat.
I have not made any.
Honorable sir, please speak.
Because
Please
I have
speak.
to fight only Congress.
that will go on record. Honorable H.D. Devegola ji, please speak.
There is no other party. In Karnataka, Samstha Congress, Indira Congress. Janata Party, Congress. Please, if you know the history, from last 1952, then you would not have raised any objection. Please pardon me. I have not come to the language you have used, vote chori. I have not come. Manipulation of the voter list. That's all I have said. Sir, in 1991, I came to Lok Sabha. The lone member from Janata Dal. In 1994, I went back to Karnataka and I became the Chief Minister. I have not completed 2 years. I don't know what the sin I have committed in the past life. I am a believer in that. Congress lost the election. And Congress Working Committee, if my memory is correct, 12th May 1996, they have passed a resolution. We are going to support a non-BJP government if secular parties are going to come together. Then the 13-party coalition, the left parties in those days was very strong. And DMK, Mubnar Congress, was totally got 40 seats. TDP has got 40 seats. Biju Janata Dal and our part, I got 16 seats as Chief Minister. And the Congress extended their support through a resolution to support the non-Congress government, non-BJP government. We all sat together and we took a decision to make Jyoti Babu as the Prime Minister. 2 days the discussion went on. Ultimately, their party, there was difference of opinion, and Jyoti Babu declared my name as the Prime Minister. I was in tears. People have given the mandate in Karnataka to rule Karnataka. I have not got the mandate to rule this great nation. But the circumstance was forced. 13-party coalition, I was forced to head the 13-party coalition as Prime Minister. I took oath on 1st June 1996. I was there for hardly 10 months, 20 days. Why I am narrating all these things? the manipulation of the votes, voter list.
प्लीज शक्ति सिंह गोयल जी सीट पर बैठ कर ना बोले
I have never raised. I have never raised.
प्लीज सर conclude your time is
Sir.
please.
Please. There is a letter written by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. The letter is about inclusion of 18,000 votes in Kerala when Namrudipad was the chief minister. The letter is here. He asked Govinda Vallabha Pant, to then Home Minister, to verify the letter is here.
Electoral reforms and not on the electoral history.
Please sir. Please conclude.
Please.
Randeep Surjewala ji, please.
I request
Please.
our honorable colleagues,
Sir, please
I may be aged.
conclude. Your time is over.
I may be aged, my memory is alert.
Sir, please conclude.
I will never irresponsibly speak.
Please conclude, sir. Conclude.
Sir,
Conclude.
this is a letter written to Govinda Vallabha Pant. 18,000 votes during Namrudipad's period in Kerala as included. See that it is verified.
Sir, your time is over. Please conclude.
Why I am telling this?
Please.
During Nehru's period also, there are certain lapses in the electoral system. That is what I am telling.
Please.
No,
Please.
this is
Please.
not today. Please.
Please take your seat. Let him speak.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
Please conclude, sir.
He
Please,
is also
conclude,
written
sir.
a letter.
Please.
Please.
Randeep Singh Surjewala, you have no permission to speak. Please,
what
it's
is
not
that
going on
to?
record. Please conclude,
Sir.
sir. Please conclude.
They are little bit worried. What I am narrating.
Sir, your time is over. Please conclude.
I have requested the leader of the House and the Parliamentary Affairs Minister in presence of the Vice President and the Chairman of this country to give more time, to spare some time from their party.
Whether the party has given time to Honorable
That
H.C.
is what I have
Deogala,
requested.
Sir,
And I
former
hope
Prime
and
Minister
trust
speaking, we will
they
do
will
some
cooperate
time
with
in
me.
our parties.
please.
Sir, now let me come to the point. Bihar election, how much they fought about the electoral mistakes that has been committed by the Election Commission. And ultimately, the Election Commission reviewed nearly 62,000 votes were deleted and about 12,000 votes added. Having done 65 lakhs, 65
Surjewala
yes,
ji,
sir.
क्यों आप प्लीज आप बैठे आपको मौका आएगा आप बोलिएगा प्लीज नथिंग इज गोइंग ऑन आपको मौका मिलेगा आपको बोलना है आप बोलिए ये आपका जॉब नहीं है प्लीज आपको जब मौका मिलेगा बोलिए
Sir,
प्लीज डू नॉट डिस्टर्ब
they are very much perturbed. What happened afterwards? Even after so much of review, saturate the voter list, what is the end result? Think yourself. He got 6 votes. six MP, six MLAs. That is the position. Sir, in 2014, Narendra Modi ji came to first to national politics. 12 years he was in Gujarat. He was ruling the state as chief minister. When he comes to Delhi, in the first election, he got
बैठकर टिप्पणी ना करें, आप बड़े सीनियर मेंबर हैं, प्लीज.
He got 286 votes. Was there any manipulation? Nobody has raised any manipulation. I am in this house. In 2019,
प्लीज आप
please hear me,
प्लीज
brother.
शक्ति सिंह जी आप बैठे.
Please hear me, brother.
प्लीज सर,
Please
conclude
hear
your
me.
time, please.
Have patience.
Please.
In 2014, I came to Parliament. 2022, I came to Parliament. Lok Sabha. 2020, I
You
was
address to the
defeated.
chair. Honorable Deogala ji, you address to the chair.
My
No,
friend
आपस में बात
Jairam
नहीं, please address to the
Ramesh is
chair.
there. 2018, I won the election, Lok Sabha. 2020, I was defeated. 2022, I came to Lok Sabha. 2014, I came to Lok Sabha. Please hear me, sir. 2019, I came to this house. 2026, I came to this house. Sir, with this vast experience, no, why they are becoming so angry?
Please conclude, sir. Please conclude.
Why they want to make allegation against the Prime Minister on the issue of the voter list? The Election Commission is there, Supreme Court is there. The Election Commission has given direction to all the state units to rectify all these things. I have got sufficient documents. Sir, Modi ji, with his personality, when he won 286 seats, he could have formed the government. But he thought over to get back those allies, those political parties who supported Vajpayee, and he took them to form an NDA. Though he has got the majority. In 2010, again the elections were held under the leadership of Modi Sahab. He got 306 seats. He could have formed the government on its own. He took all the coalition so that to give an opportunity to all those friends who supported Vajpayee, continued the coalition and gave a stable government, a strong government to implement so many programs. Sir, in 2025 or 24, he got 248 or 250 seats. Again, all those people who were earlier, they've all come together. Yes, at the last leg of my life, about 2 years back, I gave my support to NDA. There is nothing to hide. Why?
Please conclude, sir. Please.
Why the Congress people who try to destroy Devegowda or the Janata Dal,
बैठ जाए माननीय
और
रामजी
भी
राव
जनता
सुब्बा जी।
दल।
Nothing is going on record.
और भी
माननीय श्री
जनता
देवगौड़ा
दल।
जी का भाषण जा रहा है। Please.
who has been in public life from last 7 decades, they want to destroy. My only Janata Dal is a regional party. Sir, I have never raised when I have been defeated by the so-called Congress leaders.
Sir,
I have never raised.
sir,
Any vote
बीजेपी की
चोरी.
तरफ से समय
Sir,
आपको मिला है
please.
और conclude.
I have, they have agreed in presence of the Vice President and the Chairman. Please, don't disturb me. Give me some more time. Sir, today in this country, if these friends wants to make a mockery about the Prime Minister in the streets and the public platform, they are making Prime Minister office to denigrate. Sir, we have never done it. In last 70 years in my public life, we have never done it. We have never used such a word, even when Indira Gandhi got 400 seats, when Rajiv Gandhi got 400 seats, when Indira Gandhi got 380 seats. I have defeated. Never. I have never. Please, the system, what has been now so strong, our constitutional forefathers, Dr. Ambedkar, under his chairman, has given a strong foundation for a democratic system. This cannot be eroded by anybody. They were talking in the public, RSS, Janata Party, Janata Dal, Bharatiya Janata Party, combined, they are going to destroy the democratic system and the democracy is in danger. This type of slogan, who bothers?
Sir,
If
please
the people
conclude.
have been, have got
sir, please
any
conclude.
responsibility.
Please
they
conclude
could
now.
have turned hostile
Please.
against Narendra Modi's
Please conclude,
government.
sir. Please conclude.
People have never turned hostile.
Please conclude, sir.
It shows they have full confidence in Narendra Modi's government. Sir, I have given my full support to Narendra Modi's leadership. The country needs, this is a very big country, a large country. Congress may be in 3 states. Remember, my friends, please, by using the word vote chori, you are going to suffer in the coming days. You are not going to win the battle. I am telling you, I know what is the country politics. I can speak, sir,
please.
hours together. You are ringing the bell. There are so many
Sir, there are
things
number of
I can
speakers.
quote. My friend, DMK friend is here, who has supported me when I was the Prime Minister. What the stand they have taken, I know that, because to maintain their political strength in as DMK in Tamil Nadu, they are fighting. I know. I am not blaming. But only thing is, blaming Narendra Modi's leadership and creating a suspicion in the mind of the voters in this country, which is a large country, that it is what is called vote chori, vote chori, vote chori. What has happened to their mind?
Thank you, sir.
Let them
Thank you.
rectify
Thank
their
you.
willful, or a mind which has been corroborated. Don't do that. It is not going to help. Modi's government will
Please conclude,
continue
sir.
and fight the battle under his leadership. 2028, we will come back to power. This is
Thank you.
as an oldest
Thank you.
person in Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. I am speaking. I could have spoken more. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru letter is also here.
Thank
If
you.
you want, I can place it on the table of the House.
Yes, please place on.
What he has written to
Thank you.
Namrudi Par and
Thank you.
West Bengal Chief Minister Mr. Rai.
Thank you.
The letter is here. If anybody wants, I can place it on the
Yes,
table
please
of the
place on the record.
With these words,
Thank you.
sir, even though I want to speak little more, your
Sir, it's already not mine.
I
The
am
time which has
grateful
been
to you.
given to you.
At least
I'll-
you have given that much of time.
Thank you.
very
for
much.
that. Honorable K.R.
very
Suresh
much,
Reddy ji,